another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a non-profit to get kids excited about math and science.
All right, we've got our
2 overpowered trucks.
yeah, we've got the
Together
Sun
against
Reaper.
Ziggy.
Today we're running on 4S. Sorry, 5S in the Reaper and 3S in the Kaiju. You guys can check out
Let's go.
all the videos on these 2 trucks in the playlist in the video description. We're toning it a little bit down because we ran 6S in the Redcat before. Sorry, 6S in the Reaper before. And we're trying 5S today. That'd be 5 cells. And in the Kaiju we were running 4S and it was running extremely hot. The grass was longer yesterday though. Oh, here's Ziggy. Uh-oh. I lost power in Reaper. Oh, and there's the blackout XTE way back there.
Oh, yeah.
Giving the dog a real workout on 3S. It seems to be a lot more manageable power-wise. It was just a wheeling monster on 4S. You can still see the ballooning of the front tires there, even on 3S, but not the pizza cutters that we were seeing yesterday on 4S. Can't even imagine running this, the Kaiju 6S capable. Careful, Josh. Yeah, we're running 3S on it today instead of 4S yesterday.
Oh, you have
So,
a smaller battery?
yeah, less cells.
Oh yeah, see that?
Yep, so a little more controllable.
That one doesn't flip.
Nope.
Should I try the other one?
Yeah, something's wrong with it.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
I was gonna go check it out.
Oh yeah, you want to?
Yeah.
Are you getting? So do you? Oh shoot, that one. I'm surprised it's not. That one's not flipping.
Yeah, just because. Yeah, so yesterday we were running 4S, which is like,
Okay.
what is
We're
that?
just
16 volts. Yeah. And so today it's.
He's like running out of energy. He's like looking at it. He's like looking at it.
He's like, oh no,
You're like, do I
again,
have to keep going?
again.
And like Sage, you know.
Yeah, so.
Like, look at him. He's just gonna collapse. I had just got done training him over before you guys came.
Oh yeah?
Training him about not chasing my car. You know, I'm like, Ziggy, wait. And then I put him on the leash because he was misbehaving.
And now he is going at it again.
But he can't get it. His tongue's totally sticking out of his mouth. Oh, here comes another dog. Oh yeah, 2 dogs. 2 dogs, action. Oh
The
yeah.
hunt is on. The hunt is on.
The hunt. Oh, the other dog gave up. Josh is learning to toy with Ziggy now.
Oh, that one I need to check on because it's not working right now. But maybe we can ask Josh if he can give you a turn. Yeah.
Ask him if you can have a turn in 30 seconds. Say, can I have a turn in 30 seconds?
Yeah, do you want to go ask Josh? You want to play with Ziggy?
He's going back. Yeah, that other dog wants Ziggy. Ziggy, I know, Ziggy, he's a one-track mind. I was trying to get him to play with other dogs. He only wanted to chase my truck. Ziggy saw that. Look, he saw my truck. He's like, never mind. He's like chasing me.
Squirrel.
Yeah. Oh, look at him. Oh, dude, he collapsed.
Oh.
The truck won. Josh won.
The truck won today.
Look, he's like,
now just taking a breather.
He saw an in.
Yeah.
Ziggy actually stopped. He's too tired. He's too tired. Oh my god.
The tables were about to turn there.
He was kind of like. Does it go backwards as fast as it goes forward? Yeah.
Usually not so much, yeah.
Everett, does it work? Is it running out? Everett's funny. I let him drive that truck here and everything, but then he's he doesn't want to drive it at the park because he wants to have enough battery to get home. So he's hardly driving it at the park. I'm like, it'd be bad to arrive home with half a battery.
It's out?
Really? Oh, did you drive it that much?
We've got another battery.
Maybe let it rest a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, let it rest a little bit. And then after the battery, it might rest. Oh, look, Ziggy's conked out. Look at him. He conked out.
The truck won today.
Look, easy. He can't even get up. He's out. Wait, he needs to take you out. 9, 8, 7. Oh, he's getting up. 6. Oh, he's down again. 5, 4, 3. Josh, fire up the car. 2, 1. Oh, he's up. He's up again.
He's up again.
Round 3.
Just taking a breather.
Oh. That battery's lasting pretty long. Look, he's trying to get it.
Yeah.
He tries to bark. He doesn't even have energy to bark.
Yeah, he's not barking today.
He couldn't bite it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he got it! John, go. It's gonna run out of battery. It lasts pretty long, actually, right?
Yeah, we've been going on close to 10 minutes here.
Oh no, it looks like he's losing steam.
Josh, is the battery running? No, it's not running low, right? Time out, Ziggy, time out.
Wait.
Time out, Ziggy, Ziggy.
Leave it. Oh, there's a lot of grass.
Is it making a funny sound,
We got a
Josh?
pit stop, pit stop.
No,
Oh, a lot of grass built up on the axle. Okay. Whoa, look at this thing.
Drive it real slow, Josh. Let me hear if there's anything, if it's going okay. It's not working?
Did it turn off?
Oh, it's turned off. Oh yeah,
Wait.
that's it.
Oh,
I
no.
just have to turn this back on.
Oh, that's helpful.
Okay.
Running out.
Ziggy.
Oh, Ziggy.
Leave it.
Time out, Ziggy. Time out. I'm gonna turn this off. Bye bye.
No, Josh, you don't want to turn off the remote first. You've got to turn off the truck first, just to be safe. Okay? Yeah. So you can just leave it there. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
All right. Well, we'll wrap it up.
We both need a break.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up. Thanks again for watching. Smash that like button. Let us know what you guys think in the comments.
Turning it off.
And we'll catch you next time. I think the truck won today.
Wait,
Ha ha.
Hi, doggy.